Yeah, I'm on granddad duty at the moment. Just pushing little Libby around in the gorgeous sunshine. It's been a long time since I did this. Taking lovely Libby for a little walk. And Suzanne's on granny duties. So today we're at what was Barton Hall, and it's now the Vines. It's a beautiful old hall, and it's a hotel, and we're here for a little family get-together. Just behind these trees there is a beautiful orangery. How lovely is that? Of course they do weddings here as well. And then we're off back to my daughter and son-in-law's for a barbecue in their outside bar and to watch the football. And I would imagine if you were in there for a wedding today, because apparently it's about 27 degrees at the moment, it would be extremely warm.
I might just have a lemon tart there. Are you not having patty? My dad's having patty. I'm like, I don't have dessert or the soup, but it is pea and mint soup.
Hello, Bev.
Hello there, how are you?
Good.
Yeah? Jolly good.
Did I hear you say you're having cake again?
And I'm getting weighed tomorrow.
I used to do 12 hours. I used to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I remember when we were in Miami, in Singapore.
What?
That time one of them at Downville.
Are you going to be eating all these later, Liam? Liam's bar. Are you going to be spending the rest of the night watching the footy?